Why spend money on a brand new e-bike when electric bike conversion kits may easily upgrade your current bike? E-bikes have made it easier than ever to pick sustainable and environmentally friendly transportation options for anyone who requires or desires some pedal help. Whatever your motivation for having pedal assistance, whether it is to make cycling more convenient for you and your family or because you believe it would make cycling more enjoyable, the electric bike industry is huge and frequently comes with a high upfront cost. Therefore, if you are having trouble finding an e-bike that works for you and you already own a bike, you might want to think about getting an electric bike conversion kit. So, if you are ready to embark on an electrifying adventure, hit that play button and join us on this exciting journey through the realm of electric bike conversion kits. Get ready to experience the freedom, the power, and the pure joy of riding an electrified bike like never before. Skarper, are you ready to transform your ordinary bike into an electrifying machine? Look no further than the Skarper Electric Bike Conversion Kit. With its impressive specifications and exceptional performance, this kit is designed to take your cycling adventures to new heights. It boasts a powerful 250 watts motor, delivering a formidable 50 Nm of torque. This means you will effortlessly conquer steep hills and challenging terrains, feeling like a superhero onto wheels. The motor's efficiency is further enhanced by the lightweight design, weighing in at just 3 kilograms, ensuring a seamless integration with your bike. With a fully charged battery packing 202 watt-hours of energy, you can expect a range of up to 60 kilometers. Whether you are commuting to work or embarking on a leisurely weekend ride, this kit has got you covered. And speaking of charging, the Skarper kit impresses with a quick charge time of just 2.5 hours, allowing you to get back on the road in no time. It stands out with its innovative disc drive type, providing smooth power transfer and enhancing braking performance. With a top speed of 32 km per hour and a range of 15 to 20 km on a 30-minute charge, it offers impressive speed and convenience for quick rides. Upgrade your bike with Skarper and experience a responsive and thrilling riding experience. Unlock a world of pedal assist magic and revolutionize your rides with the extraordinary Skarper Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Embrace the future of cycling by upgrading from an ordinary bike for just $1,259.99. Prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey and experience the unparalleled thrill of the state-of-the-art kit. Do not settle for less when you can pedal into a new era of cycling greatness. Livall PikaBoost. Introducing the Livall PikaBoost, the compact and powerful electric bike conversion kit designed to take your cycling experience to new heights. With its impressive features and performance, the PikaBoost aims to revolutionize the way you ride, providing convenience, speed, and an exhilarating boost to your adventures on two wheels. The battery capacity of 234 watt-hour, coupled with a voltage of 3.7 volts, offers a sufficient energy supply to support your rides. The quick charging time of just 3 hours ensures minimal downtime, allowing you to swiftly get back on the road. Say goodbye to long charging periods and maximize your time spent on two wheels. With a range of up to 30 kilometers, it ensures that you can travel farther without breaking a sweat. Whether you are commuting to work or exploring scenic routes, this kit provides the convenience of extended travel without compromising on efficiency. Experience the thrill of high-speed cycling with it, reaching a top speed of 35 km per hour or 21 miles per hour. Its powerful 250 watts motor offers seamless assistance, making challenging terrains and steep inclines a breeze. Elevate your cycling adventures with the exhilarating speed and reliable performance of the Livall PikaBoost. Weighing in at a mere 3 kilograms or 6.6 pounds, it is incredibly lightweight, adding minimal bulk to your bike. Its compact size of 6.6 by 33.8 by 13 centimeters further enhances its portability and ease of installation. You can effortlessly transform your regular bike into an electric powerhouse in no time. The Livall PikaBoost is an impressive electric bike conversion kit priced at just $339. With its exceptional performance, extended range, high speed, powerful motor, efficient battery, quick charging time, and lightweight design, it revolutionizes your cycling experience. Upgrade your bike and embrace the future of pedal assist magic with the Livall PikaBoost. Zipforce Distance. The Zipforce electric bike conversion kit offers an affordable and convenient solution to transform your regular bike into an electric powerhouse. With a top speed assistance of up to 25 km per hour, it's perfect for commuting or adding extra engine assistance to your bike rides. The kit comes with a user-friendly app, built-in lighting, and a USB socket for charging external devices. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery is lightweight and adds minimal weight to your bike, while the entire Zipforce unit weighs only 2.9 kilograms. The motor is environmentally friendly, powered by electricity, and eliminates the need to buy a new electric bike. It's also worth mentioning that Zipforce has a high recycling rate of 80 to 90%, making it a sustainable choice. Installation is a breeze with the included mount, which can be attached to either the front or rear wheel, depending on your preference. You can even use the same Zipforce One electric motor for multiple bikes by purchasing additional mounts. The motor has undergone extensive testing and is water-resistant, meeting the smart European standard for electric bicycles with pedal assistance. Control motor settings and track your rides in real time with the Zipforce app, available for download on Google Play and the App Store. By converting your bike with Zipforce, you reduce your carbon footprint and enjoy an impressive range of up to 70 kilometers. The kit's portability adds convenience and reduces the risk of theft. Upgrade your bike with Zipforce for a greener and more versatile riding experience. The cost-effective Zipforce electric bike conversion kit, which retails for $749.99, will upgrade your vehicle. Enjoy improved cycling thanks to the remarkable range, simple installation, multi-bit compatibility, and ease of the companion app. Rides that are economical and green are available. Cycle effortlessly with Zipforce, a user-friendly and environmentally beneficial product. Rubbee X. The Rubbee X electric bike conversion kit offers customizable performance and range to enhance your cycling experience. With the ability to install additional batteries, you can increase assisted range, speed, and assistance power according to your needs. Its wireless cadence sensor enables pedal assist as soon as you start pedaling, making it the only truly wireless electric bike kit on the market. Rubbee X offers a speed of 25 km per hour and a power output of 250 watts thanks to its incredible motor. It also promises a range of 16 km on a single charge. The battery has a capacity of 93.6 watt-hours, weighs 1.3 pounds, and has a battery life of 1,000 cycles. Pretty astounding, no? It offers easy installation and portability. Its bright LED rear light enhances visibility and serves as a battery level indicator. The standout feature is the regenerative braking, allowing you to charge the battery while braking or going downhill, with customizable strength. Upgrade your bike with Rubbee X for convenient and eco-friendly rides. With 3 available assist modes depending on the number of batteries installed, you can select the electric pedal assist level that suits your riding needs. The Rubbee X also offers a smartphone app that allows you to monitor system status, control assist parameters, and download firmware updates wirelessly. Based on an efficient friction drive motor, the Rubbee X incorporates an active suppression system and electronic anti-slip control algorithm for optimal grip in various weather conditions. Transform your bike into an electric powerhouse with a Rubbee X conversion kit priced at $624. With customizable performance, regenerative braking, easy installation, and smartphone app integration, it is a worthwhile investment for an enhanced electric biking experience. Upgrade your ride with Rubbee X and enjoy the benefits of electric power. Swytch. The Swytch electric bike conversion kit is a versatile and affordable option for transforming your regular bike into an electric powerhouse. With a powerful 250 watts geared hub motor delivering 40 Nm torque, it provides ample assistance for your rides. It has a top speed of 32 km per hour. The Swytch kit offers a range of 30 to 50 km, depending on user input and the battery pack size you choose. You can select the capacity that best suits your needs with options including a 36 volts 5 ampere hour 180 watt hour or a 36 volts 7 ampere hour 250 watt hour battery. Recharging the battery is quick, with a charge time of just 3 hours. Weighing in at only 3 kilograms, the Swytch conversion kit adds minimal weight to your bike, ensuring a seamless riding experience. Its lightweight design allows for easy installation and removal, making it convenient for transportation and storage. The Swytch kit starts at an affordable price point, with kits available from as low as $449. This makes it a cost-effective solution for those seeking the benefits of an electric bike without the expense of purchasing a brand new one. The Swytch kit allows you to convert your existing bike into an electric vehicle, saving you money and providing a sustainable alternative. You will find all the product links in the description below. Do check them out. Getting a brand new e-bike can be a little too heavy on your pocket, which is why you can settle for these e-bike kits. Equally incredible and mighty economical. Share your feedback in the comments section, as your feedback is our driving force. Hoping you enjoyed this video, and in the end, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.